Okay, we're coming in here. We're gonna leave the ceilings yellow since there's no issues, but I have to come in here and now get some sample paint to match that color, because the person that I had working on this just came back and did a little bit of work and didn't finish those things with the roller that he touched on the ceiling, and that to me is not a perfect paint job. So I have to take the time to do all this now. He said he was going to finish, but evidently didn't. In here we're going to put carpet, and this is a sliding door that goes up there on the closet. So this is one room. There's almost finished up here. Got to take that down, patch that up. There was a leak at one time on the roof. In here, we had to pull out all of this subfloor. And yeah, you can see some light coming down. That's through the underbelly. But evidently there's been many plumbing issues in here because I had to cut through the underbelly to get to the plumbing, which this part is the drain. So we've got to rearrange the drain now to come up over here, because we're just putting, instead of a tub, we're putting in a stand-up shower. So that's gonna go in here, and that's after we put the subfloor. The toilet goes back right there. And once this room is all done, I'll come in and paint, and I'll probably do something different with this so it doesn't look so outdated. But they loved that really bright green in here before, and all of this surround will get redone. And we're gonna put some stuff up on the ceiling, see if that works, and then possibly repaint that. This is a vent fan that no longer works. So I think it's supposed to, there's only one switch in here, so the light and that are supposed to coordinate together. But since that window does not open, whenever you're taking a shower in a mobile home, I went before myself, it's like the cart before the horse, you need to put the vents on, and you need to have like semi-gloss on the bathroom walls to keep moisture from penetrating. Down in here, I'll do some cleanup, check to see if that's weak. If not, I'll paint over that, and then I'll put some nice trim down there and some more shelving so it looks brand new. We paint all of our homes the same color. This all had dark brown in it. Has a fireplace. We're going to look at maybe taking out those tiles and just putting the floor all the way up here. Will not be a working fireplace, not in a rental. We'll take that all out. And they can put some plants in there, some candles. And we're going to have to fix the porch hang, because when it was raining, we noticed that it was leaking. So we'll get blinds for the windows. This needs to all get cleaned up. I don't like crap like that. So when people come in and paint, I don't think they would paint their house that way. But I don't know how many painters we've gone through, and I tell them if they do a good job, then yes, I will ask them to come back. But as you can see, all over the baseboards there, they didn't clean it up. This should have been painted as well, and it didn't get painted. This is like a floor transition that they put up here. So this is gonna come off, and I'm gonna epoxy bond it, sand it down, and maybe paint it that beige color so it all looks the same. Down in there, we're gonna need to put some more shelving. I'm gonna have to fix some drawers. We put a new window unit in, it works great. Window covers, we have a new thermostat. This is the middle bedroom. We still got to do subfloor repair in here, but it's all painted. Yes, we decided to leave the ceilings that color. So this is sea salt blue on the walls. You can get it at Bass Bar over there at Lowe's. Back door, I'm gonna clean this up. Second bathroom. This toilet's gonna have to come up because we can tell it's been used, and evidently there's a leak going on, because when you come over here to this next bedroom, there you go. But this is all gonna get cleaned up. It'll look brand new. I'll put some tiling on there. This will get painted. We'll get a shower curtain rod, another new vent. We'll get a fixture cover up there, another light bulb. Get this all cleaned up. Put some hand towels and a toilet paper holder up. It'll be good to go. Got to take this window off from the outside, replace the glass. This bedroom's been done. We're going to put and build a nice big shelf, brand new one up there, and do it right. So remember all the holes, if you remember where they're at. There's like 2 different colors going on here. Oh well. And I'm going to change out some sockets. You can see that it's kind of burnt. But here's a water heater, and at one time there was a water heater leak. And it looks like it's in fairly decent condition. There's been no more leaks with the water heater. Put some subfloor there. You don't step through. And since this had a curtain for a door before, we're going to actually get a mobile home door. It's a 30-inch by 78 that we'll be putting in here. And this is where the washer and the dryer go. Can't find the door, so we'll just leave this open. And Aaron came in and took out the coil, cleaned out the motor, so the heating's all working now. And then once we put the carpet and flooring down, we'll put brand new heat vents. And then this should be done. So we're hoping within the next week. I have to go out and buy some blinds, get the windows cleaned before I put the blinds up. And I think there's a faucet outside. I'm going to connect up a hose and put some soap on there and really clean them from the outside. Take these inside windows. Can't get them down, but get all the cobwebs out of there. And get these windows cleaned up as much as we can so they'll be pretty again, and get all the stickers off. And that big old fixture hanging there that if you're, 6 foot tall, you're going to always hit it when you walk in here in the middle of the night half asleep. So this big old thing is going to come down. We'll put this nice little light fixture, which will give 120 watts of light out, and it'll be just fine. Also too, this is coming down. We'll put a new one up. I'm going to take that dishwasher out. It's not working. We'll convert that into an extra storage area. They can put their little trash can in there, build a shelf. Just clean all of this stuff down really good. We have a working refrigerator. And clean things up, and it'll look all pretty again. So this is where we're at. And as we go along, I'll do another video.